Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Superhero's Kitchen. Yes, I make today using for the Japanese eggplants and then Canadian tenderloin beef. I'm using for the saute of the shredded beef and then cut it for the eggplants. The pan fried saute with spicy miso sauce. For today's, I'm using ingredients for the white wing paste miso. It's a sweetness. We call Saikyo miso from Kyoto, Japan. This is a dark wing miso, Aichi prefecture from Japan. This miso taste a little bit it's salty and a little bit bitterness. And then this looks like a sake cup. Yes, but not sake. Cooking sake we call mirin. It's a sweet sake. And then this is a soy sauce. Yeah, later on amount it I will put for the writing for everyone. Then this brown sugar. And then it's a mix of the ginger. And then this chili paste powder. It's a black pepper and then salt for the beef. And then it's each of that for the oil. It's 2 tablespoons each of the oil. Okay. Yes. So I will cut it for the eggplant first. Just normally cut in the oil. Okay. Just square cut for the slices. So for the easy to fast cooking. If cutting the thick is cannot cook for the fast, right? So I cutting this size. Looks like 4mm, 5mm. To just slice it. Be careful to when you're cutting the vegetable, please don't cut in for the finger or nails. My knife is every day making the sharpness, so when you're cutting my finger, it's recovery so quickly. But I recommend you that don't cut in the for the fingers. Anyway. Okay, and then beef, right? Tenderloin beef. Is beef always to like this too? What's called to the border? Not to the this way. To against just cut it. Fibers. In the same way. Just cut it. Shred it and cut it. So tenderloin is already very mixed with the tenders. And before cooking is on top the seasoning. It's the salt and the black peppers. Okay. Yep. So after the seasoning just takes up like 5 minutes. So leave it for the seasoning for inside the meat. Okay. And in the meantime, I mix the sauce. So white wing miso paste, everything. This is 30g white wing miso, and 15g like a half type of miso, the sugars, okay, mirin, soy sauce, so miso and then cooking sake, soy sauce, mixed crust. Because when you're cooking the finish, just mix it easy. But during the mixing the saute time, it takes a little bit time, right? And then melt in the sugar, so that's why so I mix everything together first. Okay. Chili paste. These are 2 teaspoons. Then gingers. Okay. Now proper quantities. Yeah, for mixed juice like this. Okay. This is good. Beef, I need to put a starch. These are potato starch using. Called Japanese paprika. Yes, right. Okay, cook first for the eggplants. Eggplant and oil is good match. Little more olive oil. So eggplant, after a little bit cook more, add it for the beef. Just eggplant, the color is white to turn the like a yellow, little bit golden color. It's for the good for the already cook the inside for the eggplant soak the oil. Okay, then pot beef add it. One piece jump. Then add in the dashi. miso sauce added. Almost finished. Yeah, this tenderloin beef is can use for the steak, so do not make it overcooked. If you like a medium rare, it's still pink, still red, it's fine. Okay, good. It's done. Yes. Okay, finish. Okay, it's going to soak. Very fast, right? So quick. Right. Yeah, all done. Still like a medium cook, and then little rivet over here is automatically inside. Then this is a shred cut in for the green onion. If you like a little bit spicy, we call shichimi, Japanese chili powder, hot pepper powders. Yes! Oh! Made it. So this is the winter season sauce. Make warmer inside the body. Pick the ginger and the miso. Yeah. So please enjoy at your home. Please cooking for the Japanese eggplant with shred beef miso sauce. Okay. Oh yeah. So today's cooking, I made it for the eggplant and the beef tenderloin miso spicy sauce. So I'm tasting. Looks delicious. My, 美味しい。Very good balance. If you like my video, please give me the like, and then please subscribe my channel. So I will taste it now. Yeah. Okay.